designer, a video producer, editor, AI video producer. I'm all of those things. I have 20 years of experience in video production, more than 20 actually. And, I've taught video production at the college level and also at the high school level. And I went into instructional design and technology with my master's and my doctorate because I found that, I loved both of these things. I loved teaching and I loved creating video. So teaching video kind of introduced that idea to me. So I have about 10 years of experience in instructional design now. On any team I work on, I'm usually referred to as either the voice guy, because I have a background in radio also, and I do a lot of character voices and impersonations. And so I'm always known as either the video guy or the voice guy. And usually on any team I work on in instructional design, that's my specialty. But not every video that I make is for instructional design or training. I also make videos for marketing. Sometimes colleges that I work with or organizations that I work with want me to also do marketing. So I'm pretty flexible when it comes to the kinds of videos that I can make. I also do a lot of 2D animation using Beyond and different AI tools. My favorite video generation tool right now, because they're changing so quickly, is Kling. I've just found that to be the most dependable. But I have also worked with Runway, worked with Synthesia, worked with Pictory and Pika, and Descript. I've worked with HeyGen, and I'm just trying to think of all the ones at WellSat. Now, for just image design, I've been working with a program called Dzine, D-Z-I-N-E. That's a pretty cool platform, and it does have some video capabilities. I've also made some really interesting videos with Notebook LM and TalkingAvatar.ai, where it brings podcasts together with these two characters and it just syncs up. It's really awesome. I'm constantly studying these things because I want to improve my workflow and my ability to create the kind of content that my clients need. Right now, I'm working for a few different clients, creating content for mostly companies, but also for colleges. I have done contract work with government agencies as well. I did have security clearance for a while there, but now that's expired. When it comes to LLMs, I've worked with ChatGPT, Copilot. Right now, my two favorites are Gemini and Perplexity. When it comes to instructional design tools, I work with Articulate, DeRise, and Storyline, and Camtasia. Right now, my favorite video editing program to work with, because it's involving so much AI and it's getting better every day, is CapCut. But I've also worked with DaVinci Resolve quite a bit. I know how to use Premiere and After Effects. I just don't like to, because to me, they're just not very intuitive and difficult to work with. You can do so much with these other tools that are just so much more intuitive. But I also work with a program called TimeBolt for removing pauses, and it's a lot of stuff. And I am always working on improving my workflow, and AI is coming into that quite a bit. Professionally, I've been using AI mostly as a way to do voice cloning when I couldn't do a female voice or a kid voice. I have been using it also for some just minor effects, but mostly sound effects and voices. As far as my profession goes, the way that I like to work is we give each other feedback. I like to give you rough drafts of pretty much everything along the way, and get your feedback so that I can tweak things, as we go, and work on it until you're happy. And so I'm pretty flexible, pretty easy to work with. I also have boundaries because I have had different clients. I got to make sure that I serve all of my clients and serve them well. It's kind of like when I used to work in stand-up comedy. You're only as funny as your last show, right? The wave is here, so I want to hop on the wave and get actual AI work as soon as possible. And I am using these tools and learning how to get better with them. So if you're looking for an AI video producer, I think I'll be able to meet that expectation for you quite well. And I guess that's it.